Let's start. The project name is Radio Group. Let's see the project structure. Here, we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of main activity. Let's see the UI. This square bracket is the radio group. And inside the radio group, we have two radio buttons, A and B. Let's see the code. So, we have constraint layout as the root layout. This is the radio group. Inside the radio group, we have this radio button A. And this is the radio button B. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity, which extends app_compat activity. Also, the main activity implements the onClick listener, which has a function called onClick, which we will see later. Here, we have three radio buttons, A, B and a third one called radio button checked. We will use this variable to store the radio button that is clicked by the user. Then, we have a radio group. In onCreate function, we have set the onClick listeners of both the radio buttons, A and B. In onClick function, first, we fetch the ID of the radio button that is clicked by the user. Then we use that ID to fetch the respective radio button. And at last, we show that radio button name in a toast. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click radio button A, the toast shows A. And when I click radio button B, the toast shows B, but now the radio button A is unchecked simultaneously. Similarly, when I click radio button A again, the radio button B gets unchecked. If we had not used a radio group, then both the radio buttons would have been checked, and we couldn't have unchecked them afterwards, but thanks to the radio group, we can check only one of these radio buttons now. So that's how radio groups work. That's it. That's how you can implement a radio group in Java Android. Thanks for watching.